Alright, so we just put in a new Wix fuel filter, part number 33003. I think it was about $3 or $4, not too bad. Anyway, we snip it just before the old Succomatic 6000, which just, you know, basically does a bunch of science into the old shoot it happener, down into the thing, into there, into these, and then out the back. That's how a motor works, basically. Anywho, on this side, getting it on was about the hardest thing I've ever done. I remembered, what did my grandfather teach me? Put a little wheel bearing grease in it, and it went right on. So if that one pops off, I just need to, you know, do stuff. Anywho, we got it factory tied down to the brake master cylinder, which is brand new. They rust very quickly. Anyway, also got new oil pressure gauge and temp gauge hooked up, so let's check the coolant level. And yep, we're good. Let's crank it up. See how the fuel make it happener works. Oh, here, the keys, might need them. It's also, it's not cold right now, but it kind of was cool this morning. So we might have to do the old persuasion. I do have a can of it. We also still have no brakes. I think we have an idea. I think it's in the rear. Here we go. Alright, hang on. Now let's come up here, make sure it didn't just pop off. No leaks. We did get fuel. It was completely dry, so it is going to take a second to prime the line. I'll give it a little help. Way too much. That's perfect. Now it'll hit immediately. Hopefully it'll prime up the fuel filter. Okay. No, I think we're good on that front. All right, let's see what happens. Neutral. Here we go. Gotta let it warm up a second. See what type of oil pressure. Oh, that's temp. Almost 60 pounds of oil pressure. That's better than most V8s. And I'm running 530, so it's not like it's super thick. Come on now. Brand new carburetor. Here we go. No, not quite ready to idle. We'll come back in a minute. All right, here we go. Let's see. Oh, you can't see anything. Sweet. Isn't quite warmed up yet.